Hey, it's Penny again. Wow, you're almost done with learning the basics of digital art. Let's get right into it and carry on with part 2 of the different tools you need to know. First in today's video is the sponge tool. Again, this is a newer feature, so it's great that we can use this today. The sponge tool shortcut is the O key for both Windows and Mac. What it does is it helps adjust the saturation of a certain part of an image. So, if you think that something is off color-wise, this can probably help you out. Then, we have the Type tool. That's the T key for shortcuts on both Windows and Mac. Like its name, you can use this to add type or letters to your canvas. You can choose either horizontal or vertical type. It's up to you. Feel free to jazz your artwork up with some words. The next command is a bit intermediate and it's the Pen tool. Its shortcut is the P key for both Windows and Mac. So, this changes or creates anchors and paths with anchor points and handles. It's mostly used for vector art, duplication, and complex shape selections. If you're still testing out the waters, I don't think you need to learn this yet. Next up is the Path Selection tool. That's the A key for both Windows and Mac. This one works like the Move tool, but it only deals with paths. By the way, paths are any shape or lines with anchor points at the end. This is usually for vector art, but it's good to know. Then, we have this one, the Rectangle tool. There are many shapes under this command, like the ellipse, polygon, and line tool. All of their shortcuts are the U key for both Windows and Mac. It's very straightforward. What it does is create a shape of your choice. So, the Rectangle tool makes rectangles and the Line tool makes lines. Easy peasy. This one is the Rotate View tool. The shortcut is the R key for both Windows and Mac, and what it does is rotate your canvas. This is a must-use for artists, especially in doing your line art. Make sure to remember this one. The last command is the Zoom tool or Z key for both Windows and Mac users. Just like we discussed before, it's used for zooming in and out. Traditional artists don't have the zoom or rotate buttons on their paper, but digital artists do. Take advantage of these awesome features and use technology as your art bestie. You've done so well today, and I hope you learned the basic way around Photoshop tools. Tune in for the next video where I show you a brief yet comprehensive step-by-step guide to making a digital output. See you in the next episode and stay creative!